is the number one coding language, mainly because of its efficiency and productivity. What is Python and why is it so popular? Well, Python is a programming language which people commonly use in data science and machine learning. Python is also very popularly used in web development, also known as building websites. Some of you may be wondering what software you can use. Well, I use Replit, and it's a software which you can make online projects with. I'll run you through the steps right now. So first, you're going to want to search Replit on Google, then click sign up. Then this screen will appear, and on the right-hand side, it says continue with Google, so click that. Then choose your account which you would like to sign up with. Then the home screen will show up, and on the top left-hand side, it says create repo. So then, click that. Some drop-down boxes will appear and click Python. For the title, Replit will automatically give you random words. But if you don't want them to be your title, you can change it. And once you're happy with it, you can click create repo. Then this screen will appear, which you can start writing your code in. There is one thing I'd like to cover, and that is the print function. This function basically copies what you write here, down here. So in the apostrophes, I can write cake. I click run. Down here, it will say cake. Just be aware you can't always use apostrophes. Sometimes you'll have to use speech marks. I'll show you an example. So if we write, don't eat the cake, and then you press run, there's a syntax error because this looks like your string, but it gets confused because you've put another apostrophe. To stop this from happening, you can use speech marks because they don't look similar. And then once we've done that, we can click run and it'll show up properly.